How much should you really spend on a surf fishing reel? I mean, you've got $50 options and one's over $100, both claiming to handle big fish and saltwater abuse. But here's the thing, cheap reels corrode fast and expensive ones aren't always built for the surf. So which ones actually deliver? Product number 1, Cast King Megatron. First up is the Cast King Megatron, a reel that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie with its bionic, angular design. At $72, it sits right in that mid-range sweet spot, and honestly, if you want serious power without blowing your budget, this is worth a serious look. The rigid aluminum frame isn't just for show, it gives this reel the backbone to handle hard-fighting fish in both fresh and saltwater without flexing or warping. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The carbon fiber drag system delivers over 30 pounds of stopping power, which means when you hook a big striped bass or redfish, you won't feel that dreaded hesitation that snaps lines. Plus, the 7+1 double-shielded stainless steel bearings keep things buttery smooth even after repeated saltwater exposure. It's also ambidextrous, so lefties aren't left out. Here's the thing though, that's normal with high-torque reels like this. A quick rinse and light lubrication after your first few trips and it smooths right out. It's not a flaw, it's just part of breaking in a workhorse. This is perfect for you if you're fishing in rough surf conditions and need a durable, powerful reel that won't quit. Skip this one if you're only doing occasional light and shore trips, you might be overpaying for strength you don't need. But for serious surf anglers, solid value for the money. Alright, that was a beast of a reel. But if you're looking for even more raw drag power at a lower price, the next one might surprise you. Product number 2, HAUT Ton Big Game Surf. Next is the HAUT Ton Big Game Surf Spinning Reel, and don't let the $55 price fool you. This thing punches way above its weight, especially if you're chasing long-distance casts and big fish in the surf. It's built with an all-metal aluminum frame and carbon fiber drag, so it's ready for saltwater abuse right out of the box. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 44-pound drag system is insane at this price. That's more than enough to stop a bull red or large bluefish in its tracks. The magnetic casting control also helps reduce backlashes, huge when you're casting heavy sinkers into windy surf conditions. And with its extra-large spool, you can load up on 500+ yards of 30 lb braid, so distance won't be an issue. Now some users mention the handle feels a bit small if you have larger hands. Here's the thing though, it's still functional and grippy thanks to the anti-slip EVA foam. It's not the most comfortable for all-day use, but for short, intense battles, totally fine. And honestly, at this price, you're getting pro-level features most brands charge double for. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want serious surf performance. Skip this one if you're fishing in super sandy areas. The sealing isn't as tight as higher-end models, so grit can sneak in over time. But for most surf anglers, incredible value. Alright, that was a steal. But if you want a trusted brand name with proven reliability, the next reel brings serious credibility to the table. Product number 3, Penn Wrath II. Now we've got the Penn Wrath II, a name that carries weight in the fishing world. At $70, it's priced competitively, and if you want dependable performance from a brand that's been around for decades, this is a solid pick. The graphite body keeps it light, but don't mistake that for weakness. It's corrosion resistant and built to last in saltwater. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5:6:1 gear ratio gives you fast line retrieval, perfect when you're working lures or need to keep up with fast-moving fish. The felt front drag delivers 20 pounds of max drag, which is plenty for most inshore species. Plus, the line capacity rings on the spool are a small but genius touch. You'll always know how much line you have left. Now some anglers complain the drag can feel a bit grabby under heavy load. Here's the thing though, felt drags often need a break-in period. After a few fights, it smooths out. Also, it's not meant for giant tarpon or sharks, but for typical surf species like blues, flounder, and smaller stripers. It's more than capable. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-nonsense reel from a trusted brand. Skip this one if you're targeting trophy-sized fish regularly. You'll want something with more drag and metal construction. But for everyday surf fishing, Penn delivers as always. Alright, that was dependable. But if you're ready to step up to premium materials and sealed performance, the next reel is built like a tank. Product number 4, Piscifun Naughty X. Now we're stepping into premium territory with the Piscifun Naughty X at $112. This isn't just another aluminum reel, it's engineered for serious saltwater use, and if you want top-tier performance that won't quit, this is it. The full aluminum body and CNC machined gears give it a solid, high-end feel right out of the box. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 33 pounds of max drag on the 5000-6000 models is backed by a triple-disc carbon fiber system that's smooth from startup to full lock. That means no jerking when a big fish makes a sudden run. Plus, the IPX5 water resistance rating means saltwater and rain won't sneak in and ruin your bearings. The 8+1 sealed bearings also keep things running smooth cast after cast. Now some users said it's a bit heavier than expected. Here's the thing though, that's the trade-off for all metal construction. It's not a flaw, it's durability. And honestly, the weight gives it a balanced feel when paired with a heavier surf rod. This is perfect for you if you're fishing in harsh conditions and want a reel that'll last years. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only fish occasionally, you're paying for longevity and performance. But for serious surf anglers, worth every penny. Alright, that was high-end. But if you want strong performance at a more accessible price, the last reel brings solid features without the premium tag. Product number 5, Saltwater DYL 10000. Finally, the Saltwater DYL 10000 series at $64. This is a no-frills, high-capacity surf reel that gets the job done, especially if you're casting far and need line to spare. It's built with a graphite body and CNC aluminum spool, so it's light enough for long sessions but strong where it counts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4:7:1 gear ratio gives you solid cranking power for fighting fish, and the oversized shaft adds stability under pressure. The 10+1 stainless bearings keep things smooth, and the large line capacity means you can load up heavy braid for those long-distance surf casts without worrying about running out. Now, some reviewers mentioned the drag adjustment can be a bit sensitive. Tiny turns make big changes. Here's the thing though, that's common on reels with wide drag ranges. Once you get used to it, you'll appreciate the fine control. Just take a minute to dial it in before you hit the beach. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, high-capacity reel without spending over $100. Skip this one if you need ultra-smooth drag for light line fishing. It's built for power, not finesse. But for general surf fishing, a great balance of price and performance. So which surf fishing reel should you grab? If you want raw power on a budget, go HAUT ton. Need brand trust, PDNN Wrath II. Want premium durability, Piscifun Naughty X. Cast King Megatron balances strength and style, while Saltwater delivers solid capacity for the price. No matter your need, one of these will handle the surf, just match it to your fishing style and budget.